Hi, I'm outside Sevenoaks Test Centre. It's a bright sunny morning, a bit chilly, and waiting for the people to come back. I'm expecting a positive result, but fingers crossed, and watch this space. How'd you get on?
Great, I got on really well.
I can see that.
Without your tips, Nick. Top man.
Yeah, top pupil
And
you did.
This is the result.
Well done. First time as well.
Yeah, first time.
Brilliant.
Can't believe it.
Any tips for anyone taking a test?
Oh, just get in that car, put in as many lessons as you can. Keep them consistent. Always look out for top tips from Nick or any other instructor.
Good.
Because they always help.
Good. Well done, and safe driving.
Safe driving.
Where are we going now?
Oh, motorway.
Whee!
Hello everyone. Just passed my test. Feel absolutely amazing. I just wanted to talk about how I did it and the steps I kind of made for anyone out there who is looking to pass their test very soon. So number one for sure is get a really good instructor. It's going to make your experience so much more worthwhile. And secondly, look at hints and tips, whether that's on Instagram or YouTube or other social media platforms. Can highly recommend those. Put in the number of hours. You may feel like you need to have more lessons than you would normally, but my goodness, it pays off. And that's exactly what I've done, and I passed first time round, and I couldn't be happier.
Well done. What about observation, mirrors and junctions? You mentioned that to me earlier.
Yeah, I mean the mirrors are literally one of the most, I think, essential elements of any drive that you'll do. You've got to be looking in all three, every couple of seconds, at least, because anything can change at any time. And yeah, junctions, you've got to be aware of everyone else that is around you. You're not the only person on the road. And yeah, obviously, signalling early, is definitely a really crucial thing that you need to be aware of, so that you don't get caught out. And yeah, and obviously from doing that, you'll be a much safer driver. And I couldn't have done it without the help of my instructor. Top man.
My pleasure, and congratulations.
Thank you. I can really highly recommend taking a motorway lesson once I've passed my test. It's definitely a worthwhile thing to do, and I'm really looking forward to doing quite a few of them to get into that groove. And yeah, bring it on.
Bring it, and I'll see you for your motorway lesson.
See ya.
Cheers.
Thank you, Nick.
Safe driving.
Thank you.
Yeah, hi everyone. It was great hearing the experiences of Felix, who just recently passed his driving test. Nailed it first time, only 2 minors. As he said in the clips, he had the lessons. He even had more lessons than he think he needed, but it paid off. Make sure you get the right advice, get the right instructor, the right car. Get the instructor to recommend a test centre that suits you, an area which the instructor knows well, so they can prepare you. Doesn't mean hammering test routes, as I've said before in other videos. That's not the way to do it, but you will need to practice in the area, and particularly if you don't know it very well. So that's very, very important. But get a good instructor who will give you the right advice. Now, Felix will be doing a motorway lesson shortly, and we're going to keep you posted on that. But if you know, Felix talked about junctions, observations and roundabouts and stuff like that. Very, very important. Big part of the test is observation, blind spots, roundabouts and junctions. So get the lessons, prepare yourself, make sure you're ready. As I said before, I can't emphasize this enough. Get a good, experienced, qualified instructor to show you the ropes, and hopefully you'll be like Felix on the day and pass. Well done to Felix, and watch this space with the progress of the motorway lessons. Felix, you've been a cracking pupil. Really enjoyed teaching you. Can't wait for the motorway sessions. Stay safe, and safe driving out there.